This is the final video for the Belleville Main Street Water Main Replacement Project. I'm happy to report that the project went exactly as we planned. Very few bumps or hiccups during the process. You can see behind me that the road is paved and everything is back to normal. Businesses are open. The project went pretty much the way we expected it to. One of the largest challenges of any underground utility project is just the nature of the project. The utilities are in the ground or buried, and while we have fairly accurate maps, we don't know exactly where things are until we dig the hole and see them firsthand.
And we were actually able to finish the project 1 week ahead of the Labor Day deadline. So I would say that the project did actually go as we planned.
Personally, the highlight of this project was the response that we had to a challenge down by the downtown YMCA. During one of the cut and caps, we inadvertently killed the water pressure to the YMCA, and the Illinois American team and our contractor Loki answered the call outstandingly, working through the night to make sure that the YMCA was back into water pressure.
So the main goal for this project was to replace 1,700 feet of water main that was installed in 1960s. And there were a lot of unknowns because these structures were installed many years ago. But with the help of our consultants, contractors, and our operations group, we were able to handle the issues that came along with the project.
My favorite memory of the project is actually what we see behind us right now, the finished product, the pavement down and everything back to normal, the fountain running.
We had very old water mains running under the fountain that imposed a high risk to the community. And through this project, we now have an entirely new water main fitting to the fountain.
This project affected so many people in Belleville. The road was closed down for 90 days, and the businesses had to deal with that, the city had to deal with that. I just want to take a moment to thank everybody that was involved, from the mayor and her staff at the city, the Chamber of Commerce, and all the businesses and citizens of the city of Belleville.
So as an engineer, it is very rewarding for me to see, to convert what was drawn on the paper and apply it on the site. And as you can see, the water on the fountain, it's flowing and it's running. The traffic is same. People are walking around, and it's going to be a very good Labor Day weekend.
On behalf of Illinois American Water,
we just wanted to say
thank you.